Kamusta mga katropa? And welcome to Shinobi Predictions. Okay, so as we all know, we only have a day before the VLWC update comes. So now, let's guess who will be the coming Shinobi next month. So before we move in the Shinobi prediction itself, let me first give you some of my thoughts as regards other predictions or what to expect tomorrow's update. Because as we all know, for the past 2 years, I guess, in my as far as I know, usually every Valentine's Day, Bandai gives a certain not so grand event and a special banner for Valentine's Day. Okay? And I think there will be a couple banner, and it is none other than Sakura and Sasuke Wandering Ninja. I believe tomorrow we are going to get again a rerun banner of their previous kit, because as we can see, they are also boosted in enhancement support. And maybe along with it is some missions. For example, where we can get certain tokens, for example, or exchange things where we can exchange it in a certain special exchange shop just like last year. Okay, so now that's all are my thoughts or my expectation for tomorrow's update. Well, as regards the VLWC featured Shinobi, before last month, we all know that there is already a hint found in Great Guild War next special Shinobi. But if we look at it right now, there are no clues, because let's expect that the VLWC featured Shinobi, first of all, there is some connection between those two Shinobi. For example, Tsunade and Jiraiya, they are both legendary Sanins, okay? But if we look here in the special Shinobi, there is no something like that. And last month, aside from the next special Shinobi in GGW, the featured Shinobi VLWC is also in the February All-Out Mission Enhancement Support. Tsunade and Jiraiya is also there. But if we look at it right now, they are not here. Either Hashirama, Sasuke Heibi, or Kawaki is not here. Boruto is here, but Kawaki is not. So therefore, we can now not rely in what the next special Shinobi in GGW says as regards the upcoming Shinobi. So maybe they think they spoiled us too much. Okay, so but it is really established that the next special Shinobi should be here in the enhancement support, because Tsunade and Jiraiya is also there previously. Therefore, the possible featured Shinobi is just one of these enhanced Shinobi. I have 3 theories, buddies, as regards who might be the upcoming Shinobi. And the first theory is something that maybe you will not like. I don't know, to some, maybe. But me personally, I don't like this. But this is the first 2 connected Shinobi found in this enhancement support, and that is these 2: Naruto 20th anniversary and Sasuke 20th anniversary outfits. You know, I hate outfits, and especially another Narusasu banner. And if Bandai will release it tomorrow, I will not summon. There is no single temptation of spending as Shinobites on another Narusasu banner. So that is my first theory. Why? Well, it does make sense. It's already been a year since their kit has come, if you recall. Naruto outfit came on Roundup Mission of February, so that is exactly a year ago, while Sasuke outfit came on the next month, March. Okay? So that is my first theory. So my second theory is that if we will not be getting another Narusasu banner, maybe Bandai is planning to give us an Akatsuki banner. Okay? So maybe I think tomorrow we will be getting Hidan and Deidara, or Itachi, Akatsuki, or Deidara for tomorrow. So why them? If you recall, last year, there is a pattern in the featured Roundup Shinobi. And all of them are Great Ninja War Arc Shinobi, except for the anniversary banner. So, set aside those in the concept. Now, after I saw the VLWC last month, I think when I saw Jiraiya and Tsunade, I began to speculate that maybe the upcoming VLWC featured shinobi are all within the Pain arc storyline. Shinobi like for example, of course, Pain, Naruto Sage, there, Jiraiya and Tsunade, Sasuke and Itachi versus those two brothers fighting, and of course the Akatsuki members. And yes, it's also about damn time for them to have their Rikits, because it's been more than a year, or it's been 2 years already since Itachi Uchiha, the version 1, got their kits, also Deidara, and while Hidan, well, he only had an EX ult and a new 4-star because of the Shinobi story. But sad to say, you don't have an LB. So maybe Bandai is planning to give him a banner right now. But I don't think Bandai will do it, because it's less likely that they will do it, in my own opinion. Because for example, are there many fans of Hidan? Because knowing Bandai, of course, as we all know, usually feature shinobi who will give them more money, I guess, because or a shinobi which many fans likes. Okay? Although Itachi, yes, many like him. So this is my second Churi. And for my third and last Churi, this is something that is not in the enhancement support. And between the two Churis, this is something that seems impossible for me to happen. But if it will, and if it will really happen, I would be really happy. Because the one that I am being predicting is that NXB will start again giving us new shinobi. Maybe that is the reason why there seem to be an incongruence between the next special shinobi of GGW and also the February all-out mission enhancement support shinobi. And I have two sub-churis this third churi, okay? So I hope you're not confused with my categorizing this, what I am saying. So my first churi is that we will be getting a somewhat couple banner of a new shinobi. But only one is a new shinobi because the other one is not new, and that is Ishiki. I know, yes, we already seen him as an enemy, but maybe, although I think it's really a little chance that Bandai will release this February Ishiki, and along with it is Kaguya, and Kaguya is also boosted here. So maybe for this month of February, maybe we will be getting a whole Otsutsuki banners, both the VLC featured and also the roundup banner. So that is the first sub-churi of this third churi. And the second one is maybe the reason why Kawaki is boosted here in Great Guild War but without a partner. But maybe it's because Ishiki is his partner. And maybe Bandai will finally give us our most awaited Ishiki. So that's all are my thoughts. As regards the upcoming cards that they will be getting, whoever may be really the upcoming shinobi tomorrow, whatever that shinobi is, I think we will not be getting another 8-star shinobi again. If you look first at the pattern of the previous shinobi, especially the anniversary banners. So we have part 1, part 2, and part 3. Only the part 2 and part 3 are the 8-star shinobi. Okay? Haven't you noticed that? Why did Baryon also be awakenable into 8-star and with also match also with cards of 8-star EX Ult and a 7-star LB, the burdensome level 15 LB, yet so strong. Maybe because Baryon is actually intended to be the roundup shinobi of November. That is why they did not include it in the bracketing of the new introduction of this feature. And they really intended it, the introduction of the 8-star shinobi, 8-star EX Ult, and 7-star LB, intended for the month of December, which is where the NTL and STL came out. And as we all know, it was followed by the Light and Shadow Duo. And now, Roundup Mission, we received Momoshikis with this 8-star Awakenable perks, okay? But, I think just like last month, as Jiraiya and Tsunade don't have that perks, maybe this coming VLWC, we will not be getting an 8-star Awakenable Shinobi. So maybe they will be just like Tsunade and Jiraiya, okay? Well, it's actually a good, in my opinion, because as we all know, it's really hard to level up a 7-star LB. As we all know, many are complaining about this, especially now that we don't have a certain mission where we can gather much froggies for that. Okay? So it's really hard. It's really unwise to do it. So maybe Bandai plan to only make the roundup banners the 8-star Awakenable Shinobi, while the featured Shinobi for the VLWC are only 7-star Shinobi. Okay? So that's all are my thoughts for this upcoming VLWC banner. Thank you for watching. Kita-kits, mga katropa. Kaya